Alright guys, here's your Wednesday grammar language review, so make sure you make your corrections on your paper. For the first box, place a check by the compound sentences that are joined correctly. So you're looking for that comma conjunction. Dad said I could choose my puppy's name as soon as we adopted him, or we could wait a week. Alright, so this one has or, but it doesn't have that comma. So it flows too quickly to be a compound sentence, so no. Number 2, we found him in front of Cooper's barbecue, so I wanted to name him Cooper. Same thing, you've got your conjunction right there, but it keeps flowing, it doesn't have that pause, and it's all happening at the same time. For number 3, my whole family agreed it was a great name, comma, conjunction, so we named him Cooper. So yes, that one is a compound sentence. For the second part, you're still trying to find the prepositions with prepositional phrases. Cooper greets me at the door when I come home from school. So that one actually has a couple. At what? The door. When I come home. From what? From school. I drop my books on the floor and throw my arms around his neck. That one also has a couple. On the floor. Let's see, throw my arms around his neck. Okay. All right, for the third one, I lie down on the floor and Cooper slobbers all over me. So this one would be on what? The floor. Over what? Over me. And then the last one, then we play in the backyard for 30 minutes. In what? The backyard. How long? For 30 minutes. So that's how you get that one. For your sentence, you're going to combine the two parts to combine the two simple sentences into one compound sentence. So you've got Cooper might be a bit messy. He's the best dog in the world. So here it's saying something negative. Here it's saying something positive. So you're doing opposites. So the best way to combine them would be to say but or yeah, that's probably, however, it would imply you would need a period in front of that. We want to combine them, okay? So we're going to make this period here a comma, and then we're going to make this H a lowercase h, and then you can put it together. So you would put Cooper might be a bit messy, comma conjunction, but he's the best dog in the world. Okay? And then just go back and double check. So we had our comma, our but, lowercase h, and you're good. For the next part, you are taking prepositions and actually writing prepositional phrases. So for this one, you can be creative, you can have some fun with it, okay? So just try to think how you can make it work. So under, where was the kitty? The kitty was under the bed. Over, the cow jumped over the moon in that old nursery rhyme. Around, if you're thinking of Pocahontas, that famous song, Just Around the River Bend, from Disney. And then after we ate dinner. After what? After dinner, right? So you can be creative with those and come up with your own ideas. For the last one, it says, what's the best way to combine the sentence? The two sentences. So we have Cooper is my dog, he's my responsibility. And so we have A, Cooper is my dog, comma, then he's my responsibility. With then, you would actually need a whole new sentence. So no for that one. Cooper is my dog, but he's my responsibility. Well, you know, that's negative. We want it to be positive. Cooper is my dog, so he's my responsibility. Yes, so for that one is the best option. So check yours. Let us know if you have questions.